I only see your hands. This one would be better. See, I didn't show you.
So I'm going to record final thoughts I have for this product, the KTAXON 88 full-weighted digital piano. So I'm going to mention some pros and cons. The pros is it's aesthetically pleasing. It's very nice how it's built, how it's just like fits in the corner and it looks like a desk when you close it. So that is a really nice feature. It's very sleek. As you can see, I could just like fold this up and close it like so. And the price is another pro, so you can't really buy a piano for less than $200, and this one is like $180 plus. That is a really good deal. It came with a bunch of accessories. They're not very high quality, but they're there. There's covers, some extra things which are nice. Let's go to the cons. What I didn't like very much is that the power button is very flimsy. It doesn't feel really sturdy at the back. When you press it, it doesn't feel like you're turning on something. It's a pretty flimsy button. The adapter wasn't very heavy duty. And the volume control is at the back as well, so it's not very convenient. You can't reach it. Also, it didn't come with any other controls. Like you can't change the sound of the piano. It's just piano. There's no, as you can see here, there's no other buttons that you could click to like play something else like an organ or like harpsichord. There's no extra features like that, which is fine for the price point. I don't know about the longevity of this, if it's going to last a long time, but oh, and one more thing is that I have a very nice headphone, a Philips headphone that work real well with my Yamaha like digital keyboard, and it didn't work well with this one. It had like a buzzing sound and the volume is very low, so I used their cheapo headphones, and this actually works better than my Philips one. This is very lightweight. The head doesn't fit very well, but it sounds louder than my Philips one. And another comment with the volume is not very loud when you use the headphones. The volume is decent when the headphones is not attached, but it's not very loud as well. But that's like that's not a big deal. We live in an apartment, so I don't really need a very loud piano. But those are just some points to take note. Overall, I would buy this again. It's nice for a beginner. If you want to upgrade in the future, you can, but if you're just starting out, it's a very good deal for the price point. So those are my thoughts. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comments. Thank you for watching.